Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain the method of changing the name of a page on Facebook, not on your personal profile, but rather on your page via Facebook. It is a very simple method. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before going on to the explanation. As usual, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. We will go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the Facebook account that is on your phone. You will find here the profile icon. Click on it. Then click on this arrow and switch to the page whose name you want to change via Facebook. After switching to her, will you find the following figure? Then you click on this icon in the following figure. You click on it. Then, my friend, you go down, you go down, you go down, you go down until you find the page settings. You click on the page settings, and this is the name. And I cannot change the name of the page for a period of time, even until 60 days have passed. You change the name of the page if the page has not changed the name of the page in the last 60 days, and if you want me to explain how to change it, page, without passing 60 days, write that in the comments. And if you find interaction in this video, I will make an exclusive video, God willing.